surfaces are being detailed and cleaned up. So guys, most people think they're not a fan of quick release, but I'm a tall guy, so I like being able to come in the car and like chill. And you know, sometimes the steering wheel be in my way, and it's way easier to just have a quick release. Pop it on, a couple seconds, she's ready to go. I'm gonna rewrap the steering wheel in Alcantara. I really like this finish. Reminds me of like the old school Momo style stuff. But yeah, you guys will get to know me, man. I'm into a lot of old school stuff. I like old stuff, vintage, all that kind of stuff, because that's what I grew up on, you know. So yeah, that's the type of content I want to build. Let's go outside and have you guys hear the car. Let's see where these rattlers are coming from. Another thing I noticed, my dipstick is broken. So that's where my eye leaks are coming from. But I have something for that I'm gonna do. But yeah, running. Not jumping timing. On mine, they're underneath. I think one's right here. This is the front one. They both go into here. So the front post is right here on the downpipe, and then the second one's right here. Just strapped up. Let's see what. Yes, sir. This is out. Got the new little sensor in. Yeah, let's see. Being on the car, you know, it's a 25-year-old car, so after coming back after the tune, caught the little leak. So put a little replacement hose there for now until I could get this one back, but yeah, so let's see. I'm about to start her up and see what happens. Ignore that noise, but this is what, let me close the door. This is what the O2 sensors look like after replacement. If it's your first time to my channel, please subscribe. My name is Terrell. For today, last video I introduced the TT to you guys. Today we're just going to show you a little bit more in depth of the car. I picked up some parts for the car as well, and a boost gauge from my other, the B5. And yeah, that's just it. It's really nice out today. It's like 57 degrees, and yeah, I'm just gonna get some work done, clean up a little stuff right here. These boost lines need to get connected. gonna get that sorted out as well. And yeah, just a lot of odds and ends.